This video is going to show you how to complete the differences in air pressure station and how to create a Flipgrid video and post it through Google Classroom. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go to the differences in air pressure site, which looks like this. You'll read through the couple paragraphs at the top. You can watch this little convection current demo. At the bottom, there is a self-checking set of sentences with fill in the blanks. So what you're going to do is read these sentences and choose from the drop-down box which word you think completes these sentences correctly. When you're done, you'll click Submit. It's going to show you in black the correct answers and in red answers that you need to change. So had I chosen the wrong answer here, it would show up as red, which would tell me I need to change the answer to the other one, click Submit, and now it's telling me that I have it correct. Once you've got all of the sentences completely correct, you're going to read them out loud using an app called Flipgrid. To access Flipgrid, you're going to find it in your Google Classroom. So under classwork for this week, you'll see a Flipgrid post. There's a link that will take you directly to Flipgrid. When you get there, you're going to have to sign in using your Google account. You'll just click this Join with Google button. You're going to have to enable your account the first time you're here. So just simply click your name so they know that it's you. And it'll bring you to your class. In our class, we've got a topic called Differences in Air Pressure Questions. This is where you're going to read your responses. So all you have to do is click Record a Response. Flipgrid will open up a new window. You'll have to allow your microphone and camera, and it's going to show you live. Here's a picture of me. So you have 2 minutes to record this video. It shouldn't take you that long, but if you need it, it's there. And all you're going to do is read these completed sentences word for word. So you'll say, number 1, warm air is less dense, and complete the sentences. So you'll read these 5 sentences. Okay? You'll click the little camera button to start recording. It'll give you a countdown, and you can start your recording. While you're reading this, if you can't see the sentences, you can always make it split screen. To make your Chromebook go split screen, you're simply going to click and drag the tab away to one side until you see the screen go kind of fuzzy like that at the halfway point. You'll see the line in the center, and then let go, and you can do the same thing for the other tab. And so you now have 2 tabs that you can find down here. And if you bring the right tabs up, you can now see your sentences while you're recording. So again, you'll read, warm air is less dense and blah, 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 blah. When you're finished with your recording, you can click pause. And Flipgrid's going to give you options at the end. When you click next, you can review your video. If you don't like it, you can always re-record it. Next gives you the option to take a picture. This is the picture that your classmates are going to see of your video. So smile nice, take your picture with your mask on. I know you can't see your smile. When you click next, it's going to give you the option to submit your video. You don't need to title it. We know what the title is. And your name should be there already. Just click submit. Your video will be posted. Yay! And you're done with this. You can just